Hi, today we're going to talk about another hexbin function of Tableau, which is hexbiny. So hexbiny function works also similar to the hexbiny x function, but the difference between these two functions is the hexbiny function only applicable on the y coordinate, and the hexbin x function works only x coordinate. And hexbin so this function also does the same thing, that it groups the two uh, simple way of the grouping two set of numeric value, and it groups into the similar value to make a visualization. So in terms of grouping, so if I create one calculation field, and here I'll type the function. So here is the hexbin y function, and this function also takes the two input, and the both of the input are the numbers. And on the right side we can see what this hexbin y function does. So hexbin y function maps an x and y coordinate to the y coordinates of the nearest hexagonal bin. So in terms of nearest hexagonal bin, for example, if I set the value as 10 comma 10, and so what this will do, as we have talk about the what are the hexbin. So these hexbin are the simplest way of grouping two sets of numeric value. So in this function, the two sets of numeric value are the 10 comma 10, and this it will group them into the one value which is similar to or the nearest to these two values. So for example, if I click on apply and OK, and I take this field and drop it onto the text, and after that click on this drop down, go to measure and select average. So the value of hex bin y inside this function is 9.526. So if I go back to my function again, click on edit, so we can see here I have chosen two different values, and basically both the values were same, 10 comma 10. So the after grouping these two values, the hexbin y function returned the output as a 9.526. So we can see here the value is quite near to nearest to these values, which is 10. So after grouping this value, the function returned the 9.56. So this is how this function hexbin y function work in Tableau. So we can just simply have to use two different numeric values, and this help the hexbin function group both of these numeric value, and group into the group of similar values. So this is how we can use this function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.